Hey guys, just here to share my wheel and tire setup on my 2018 Dodge Challenger RT. Went with the Devil Rims replicas, 20 by 9 in the front, 20 by 10.5 in the rear. And here are the wheel specs, in case you're interested. I ended up putting a 275/40/20 on the front and a 305/35/20 on the rear. There would have been maybe some slight rubbing in the rear, but I will show you how I push back the fender liner there. And in the front, I ended up having to run a 3mm spacer as the 275 tire came really close to that front steering knuckle and might rub in cornering, and I'm just going to keep it safe with the 3mm spacer just to bring it out a little bit further. I'm pretty happy with the stance. They don't seem to stick out too much, just a touch in the rear, and no rubbing after I slightly modified the inner fender liners in the rear, and I'll show you how I did that. So this is how I pinned back the inner fender liner here. They would typically rub right on this seam here. So there was a regular clip here. I popped it out and put a riv nut in there, and then put a large flat washer and shoved this whole inner fender liner that way, and then tightened it down to hold it into place. And now this is sitting right against the body. And for the back fender liner here, they would typically rub in here as well. Just popped this clip out, drilled another hole, which pushed this whole fender liner that way, and have no rubbing issues.